In this video, I'm going to show you how to mark an invoice as paid on Xero. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to Sales up top, and you want to open your invoice list. Now, after you do that, you want to go and click on Awaiting Payment, because these are the invoices that are awaiting payment, and of course, you can basically mark these as paid if you want to. So click on the invoice you want to mark as paid. I'm just going to select this first one over here to Bayside Club. I'm going to click on it, and then from here, as you can see up top, it's going to say Add Payment. So what you want to do here is click on this button, and then down here you basically want to add the payment. So of course you can select the date paid, and you can select the account as well. I'm just going to select this one. Then the amount paid should be specified over here, and if you do have a reference, you can put it in here as well. Then click on record payment, and then whenever you do this, as you can see, it's going to basically update, and there we go. This one is no longer in here inside awaiting payment, and it went to the paid section. As you can see, it's over here and it's been marked as paid. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.